Okay, we made it to Atlanta. There's downtown. We're over here at the right next to the Buckhead Pavilions. We're about to go get a drink and a coffee, or a coffee and a drink, or a couple of drinks and a coffee. Saw a few trains on the way in, and we're gonna find you some more trains later. There's an old church or something straight ahead. The sun is just so bright, I don't even know what I'm looking at. Yeah, an old chapel or something. It's a Trader Joe's. Two-story CVS pharmacy. PetSmart. But we're going to Publix. And I'll update y'all in a few minutes. Oof.
I was like, oh snap, did I just locked him out? But yeah, this is upstairs. What we want to do is like come up here and play cards or something one day, like play a game.
That's Stone Mountain over there.
Look at how clean their roofs are.
There's Alec way down there walking the dog.
So then that way when we come back, it's like we went through a hunting trip.
Somewhere. I don't know where he went.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can walk to everything here. And well, we're gonna do a late night if we're doing. No, this is
And oh, it was real cool. It was like one building where it started expanding and opening up because I guess the wind was blowing or something like that. And you see where the once the right time.
Not really in season yet. It's apple season.
That thing ain't going nowhere. Driving in the back.
Thank you.
This time, please take a look around the area as far as personal items or secure them before getting the train. As always, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank you for that one. The first station stays.
past the MARTA depot and the MARTA police station. We're on Atlanta's MARTA, cruising to the airport. Beating the traffic, that's for sure. Another train. Atlanta traffic right there. Bumper to bumper. We made it. That thing was moving.
Yeah. I think the weirdest part was when it was kept going like this, and I said, ooh.
Yeah. like, look at this.
Those blue things, we sat in those.
Those are some nice, I've seen some videos about those chairs. This is Atlanta downtown nightlife. Of course, if you drive, chances are something like this is going to happen. Fender bender. We're just checking everything out.
Yeah, let's go to Starbucks.
We're going to hit that Starbucks over there. Yep. Airbags out, totaled.
Don't do it. You don't do it.
That looks pretty. Okay, I'm gonna
Pretty easy, right?
yeah, pretty easy.
All right, here we go. Woo! Yes, sir.
Atlantic Botanical Gardens, Piedmont Park, and Atlantic Station.
They posted the national debt.
Well, my phone does not like that
What?
screen.
Me and Pierre was gonna buy a brick, and we were gonna come to the Olympics. Thank God we didn't, because the only lady that got killed was our cable lady, the lady that worked in the cable office in Albany.
What? Check it out, everyone. It's the ice cream truck. Looks like a Mr. Softy wannabe.
But I had it time.
There's a trolley up ahead.
When I was trying to run it first, he was trying to stop it.
Right, you see Gotham City, home of the Joker Chaos Coaster, Catwoman Whip, and of course, Batman the Ride. Became a flame called Georgia Scorcher. Now we're coming up under a coaster so huge, such a giant, that 2 rides had to be closed to make room for it. Back in 2005, we lost 2 long-time favorites, the Lupin Starship and the Great Gatsby. But in return, receive what is arguably the most popular ride at Six Flags over Georgia today, Goliath. There were many who grumbled when the Great Gatsby was torn down, as its imposing tower in the sky section, which was once home to favorites like Momo the Monster and Viper. Now, we all have those family members that refuse to age gracefully. And in 2016, one of our own got some work done. Just here on the right where my old friend Z-Force used to live, is what used to be called Ninja. After the facelift and name change, now call her Blue Hawk. But she still takes you upside down 5 times. In comparison, this here train you're on right now takes you upside down 0 times. To your right, standing 200 feet in the air, is Skyscreamer. In 2013, this tall tower...
Yeah, still want to go with